Want to run ads for your Shopify store but stuck because Shopify won't connect to Facebook? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then click Integrations or search for Facebook. Find the Facebook Pixel section and click Disconnect Account if it's already connected, even if it says it's not working. Then click Connect Account again. Make sure you're logged into the same Facebook account that has access to your ad account. If not, log out and back in with the correct one. Still not working? Try clearing your browser cache or switching browsers. Sometimes Shopify just needs a little nudge. If you're using an older Facebook integration, like the old Shopify Facebook app, Meta might have deprecated it. So head over to the Meta Business Suite. Check if your Shopify store is listed under Business Integrations and re-add it if needed. Also, double-check permissions. You need admin access on both Shopify and Facebook/Ads Manager. If all else fails, try logging out of both accounts completely and start fresh. And boom! You should be connected and ready to run ads like normal. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Shopify fixes. See you next time.